Hi and back everyone to HandSkill. In today's video, I am going to make two beautiful DIYs for decorating balcony area. Before started doing DIYs, I tell about the material used in this video. This is foam board. You get it in stationery shop nearby. Why I am choosing this instead of cardboard is it is so lightweight, reduce your craft weight, so easily hang it on wall using double side tape. Then no need to cover the edges as we done in cardboard. And also having smooth surface so it is easy for you to paint. For this DIY, I am taking foam board of length 50 cm and breadth 40 cm, leaving 5 cm on all sides to make a window frame. Then mark it on 17 cm from top and bottom of one side and 13 cm on other side. This is pen knife. Using this, cut the 4 squares to get a window. Ensure place a thick board under the foam sheet before cutting it, and then paint the window using a sky blue acrylic. After paint dries, at the back side of window, I am sticking a piece of old netted cloth here to make a curtain. Then be using an artificial flower bunch here to stick flowers at bottom of window. In a piece of foam board, draw an outline of butterfly, cut and paint it with yellow acrylic and stick it here. Now it's ready. As already said, this DIY was very lightweight, so a good double side tape is enough to stick it on wall. Next DIY is a signboard with birdhouse. For this DIY, I am taking a long foam board of length 70 cm and breadth 9 cm. Paint it with brown acrylic to make a pole shape. Next is birdhouse. For that, 20 into 20 cm foam board is taken and paint it with red acrylic, and for borders, blue and brown acrylic is used. To decorating birdhouse, draw and cut an outline of flowers, leaves and birds with the foam board and paint it here. Next, making a signboard. For that, 3 pieces of foam board of size 30 into 9 cm is taken and cut like an arrow. Then paint it with vibrant colors so the codes look so beautiful on it. Once the paint dried, see the effects, it was so shiny. To write quotes, take a printout of your quotes with your favorite font and using pencil, just write over it. It gives impression. You can paint over it. Everything is done. Now stick all pieces together to get a decorated signboard. That's it guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing and thanks for watching.